didn't know you had a collar and leash husky. Aww.
I didn't know I had owners.
There's no fucking shot he went for the. You're a dog. You tell.
Don't scare me like that, bro. Hit the wall. Double reset. Thank you, bro. I didn't read that. My bad. Ready up, Amy.
Oh, yep.
You telling me, huh? We're doing viewer games tomorrow if you're trying to play. Tomorrow this time. Tomorrow is another viewer game stream, that's for sure. Today? Would anybody like some good old Rocket League games today, yeah? Holy fucking shit. Leon, let's go. Insane, mate. He just scammed the shit out of me. What an absolute legend. Derek and Felix, the star goes to the day, boys. Thank you, boys, so much, actually. That means so much, actually. Thank you. Like I said, chat, everything. Irks me to leave shit out that's like so easily like cleanable. You know what I mean? It takes 2 seconds when it's all like just cooked. Like after it's just used, it's so easy to clean off first.
I can probably scan again in a second.
I'm using too much boost. That's what it is. Not use a lot of boost. What's up, Dorbeck? We're just grinding rank, bro. It's just rank. It's not actually viewing games. I just forgot to change the title on these two. You know, now I've just set like 5 titles and it's too much. She needs to get used to having you around, boy. But yeah, that's pretty decent. That's pretty decent. You got this. You're playing great, honestly. Best I've seen you play in a while. Merry Christmas, Sean. Merry Christmas to you, brother. Merry Christmas. Chat, welcome in. If you're coming in, you're enjoying the Heat Seeker today. We're having just more fun than the regular mode. Oh, dude, Derek, insane. Thank you for the 1,000 stars. In the United States, you can text 988 to connect with the 988 suicide and Christ. Kill him, he sucks. No. Can you imagine? Nah, I'm just distracted because I'm trying to read chat as well. That's what I'm saying, Grassy. Where are you from? Because it's hard for me to recognize the accents in English. I'm from. Unlucky. We nearly lost that in the very last second because we are smart.
Move!
I don't know. He just stopped there and I was like, oh, okay. Just go and do 2. Yeah, you can't, Cavell. There's no live section anymore, I guess. Bit weird. Then my bills would be paid and I'd be a happy man. But that's our goal for now, at least. Chat, I need to open the window or something. Hold on. Leave it so teammate can go. Fine. air dribble hoops and stuff like that, so I can get my control back. Just because I need control back. So can't be doing shit like that all the time. Derek, with my number one. I am disappointed to be in this rank, chat. I am playing off stream for hours today. Yo, thank you so much. I'm definitely toxic when I play. She has moments where she did you last game, the entire game, maybe. He was the greatest teammate I've ever had. Oh my goodness. I'm joking. This guy was actually horrible. Bitch voice just tells me. It's that bitch voice just tells me. Wait, what? You should have given. Hey, welcome back to Facebook, by the way, Donnie. Oh. We're good. Could have 1v3, but then she remembers she had 50 points, chat.
Okay, host.
Discord just go down? It's gonna be playing ego strat, trying to keep a lot of boost as first man. Just ego the fuck out of people. You see that guy backs off there? He versus many other people that, you know, I hang out with. Ricky, Jordan Hennon, like, a lot of them have looked on Indeed and looked on these job search sites, and there is fucking forever, dude. I'm doing pretty fucking great. We're trying to get our shit together again. Getting back into a chat. This might well be like around the normal stream time from now on. Pretty bright and early. I need help there.
Modify your gun.
How much should I be paying for this, really?
I mean, it depends.
Is it a better? Is it just a better sniper I should get? Saltwater croc. Okay.
You're a dick.
I didn't say why you sucked, but I mean, if you're talking about dicks, that's fine.
Wow, what a save.
All right. Nice. Let's go, dude. Let's go. Amy, would you ever be a commentator?
Pull up.
Whatever.
You need to create an API that integrates all of them.
I know, dude. The issue, well, they have some with all of them except Facebook, you know? Fetish up in here. What the fuck? Yo, no, I don't know how to feel about this anymore. Chat, what do I even say? Can you message real quick?
Reported, blocked. That's what I'd be doing right now.
Facts.
I'd be fucking reporting them for copyrighted content.
I'm with yo, my bad. Oh, hey, give me a back here so I can switch. Yeah, thanks. I got your 10. Are you with me?
Just score the freaking ball, buddy guy. Go. Oh.
Okay. Right now.
Hear what you said.
It's just one of those ones that you can't repeat either. Like it was so in the moment that explaining it would ruin the entire thing. And it wasn't even a Off equals GG. Unlucky. 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 What's he gonna do? Air dribble? Wow. Nice cock. She uses my government name all the time, bro. She's the only. I give her the permission to be the only one to use it. I like anybody else. I hate using it, bro. When it comes to 5,000 stars, and I'll uppercut the snowman behind me. No, I'm joking. Yo, I would break it so fucking fast. That'd be a dangerous game. He'd be gone. We'd have no snowman. Be sad.
Grenade hurt. All got bundled up there.
That did done
I need
right.
you guys to cover me.
All right. Because I'm washed. But yeah, see, like if I have a drink, it's never on the same side as my keyboard anymore. Because the last time I did that, didn't I? Like sadly, my $300 keyboard didn't work after. So. Anything else? It's weird. It's a weird one. 10 games with people. Yeah, fuck that, dude. Fuck that, Felix. I ain't got time for that, bro. Maybe when I'm back to SSL, you know. Maybe.
Took your boost. You're right. Fly.
And again.
Nah, you. What do you mean?
Game. What the fuck? Yo, what's up, Jonas? What's up, bro? Welcome in. How you doing? Welcome in. How's your day going? The legend himself. D&D this morning, and basically just sweated out on doing a lot of questing on there, so we could get that done, start crafting better.
Aren't you high?
We should just start renting Amy out, chat. $500 for an hour. Yeah, that's how degraded we are as men now. We're just species. We lost our trait, our name of human. Our title's gone. We are now back to being fucking. What's he gonna do? Air dribble? Wow. Nice cock. I feel like I'm like 10 pounds heavier today, actually. Talking about 10-pound ham. I probably ate all the ham too. That was pretty rough. So that, nah, I'm good, bro. I'm good. I wanna. Let's have a look, all right, just for you. Vern Troyer, bro. A toothbrush. That's insane. I never gamed a cat. Yeah, GG's. We'll take a free win, chat, after the bang. They're freaking out for the freak out for the TikToks, right?
Fuck those guys. Those guys are toxic, bro. We had to come.
That's a very, very good run there.
That was a good run. But yeah, that is really shitly. I'm not gonna lie, dude. Hopefully,
Some more.
hopefully that then, you know. I do like Ryzen CPUs though. I will say that the X series CPUs are very good, bro. That's why I chose them. I don't really have any knowledge on the newer one. You know what, chat? We just got scammed by our teammate there. Like, nothing for killing standard mobs. It's just hard. Like, you get bosses done, you're happy and you're doing well. And if you don't get bosses done, then realistically, it's gotta do. You know. Like I'd be liking poetry lately, chat. I'd be a bit of a poet. No, I'm joking. I suck, but still, we're learning. We're learning. We'll upload.
I'm playing up and be consistent.
You know what? I think adding SSL was the wrong decision. I still
No,
think
I
that,
don't think it was.
and I say that, but no, seriously, chat. We're gonna be back to it. As much as I keep saying that every single day, we are gonna be back to it. All right. We are. Silverhawk, how you doing, by the way, dude? How we doing? What's up, Maxim? What's up, Jason? What's up? Now, bro's eating ramen for the next year.
Oh, there's Auburn.
I hate it. I hate it here.
Even ramen's too expensive after that.
I'll pay you 50.
I bet that you look good on the dance floor. It's rough out here, dog. No, I'm just... but yo, codes, feeling good. That's good though. That's good. That's good. That's good. I'm sorry. Oh, fucking hell. Somebody asked me not to leave. Oh, teammates better. Let's go. Nice. Good shit, bro. I'm. The fact that you didn't score that I'm appalled. Oh, she left. She said she was getting on her knees for me, Ricky, and then she left me. What's going on?
No, mate.
Crazy calms that.
I'm
She's
still
like,
female.
she's like still pulling me up. Wow.
What if they're not male? Do you think that matters?
No. Trick. Pretty good. SSL incoming?
Hell yeah.
In 4 years. No, unless Emmy was showing me that her thing was broke, that would make more sense. Dang. Go play. Wait back. You should just sing and talk about aliens? Dude, I definitely.
Oh,
How's the grinding going? You still grinding, or what's the plan with everything? Where we at with everything? Go forward. Nice. Lol, don't gotta wash hands after those fish. God damn, son. God damn. Fucking hell. Bit unfortunate, really, isn't it? We get it first, yeah. Just unlucky. Although I wouldn't have the ping. That's the only downside. Dude, I'm a good. Hang on. I don't know, Ricky, mate. That is enough for you. They definitely did. We figured them out, though. We figured them out. Now we're just better, you know. Now we're just better. What? What?
You put a capital H on that, right? Capital K in one.
Oh, probably not. I mean, maybe. I think I did, but I wasn't paying that much attention. Go. I don't know if it's gonna take like 10 minutes or something, like Facebook usually does, but you definitely have it by now. Thank you so much, dude. That's insane. Thank you. Nice. Good play. Ladder. Wait. Hold on. Can you climb like mantle like code? Oh, bro, I used to scream that every day, bro. You remember those times? Dude, I used to scream, "Vamos!" The entire time. Hi, good shit, bro. One more, chat. Let's end on a W. Let's end on a W. I want to go up in rank, so let's end on a dub. Decent control by him. We'll take the other boost so his teammate can't get it. Very nice, see? Even though it was a bad... Yo, what's up, Justin? Come play, bro. We're playing some viewer games, chat, if you want to play.
Save this ball with your game.
One man team. It's as quiet as day, boys. I don't know what's going on. Nice. She feeds into Rocket League skill, right? That's exactly what you meant. Of course, that's what you meant.
Here it comes right now. Coming. It's just one. He's
Got a
hurt.
heady. Down.
Okay. Can you heal me real quick? You are a sniper.
Degenerate game. That is a terrible hit by me. Oh, there's no way. Hello. Hey, I paid it. Extracting in 20 seconds. Oh fuck.
Yeah, don't leave that extraction spot.
They ever to pay on their own? Okay, we have a kill feed on the right, do we? I didn't know that. Oh, I remember this place. Wait, that X was somebody dead on the map?
Yeah. That's the guy he just killed.
Getting old in a way. Good, but it just gets old. Cause it's just easy to win, you know what I mean? I want a new style of play on Druid.
Fairly well, Rickster. Oh, thank you, because I did myself a mischief there.
Yeah, you're good. You're doing your thing. Yes. You love that? We do love an ult, don't we, chat? Do we love an ult? Yes or no? That is on savage. Fucking hell. Bro had him all on speed dial already. Holy. Oh no, that's bad by me. Nice. Reported is crazy.
Oh, my bad.
Oh, what the fuck? Hold on, triple flip reset.
Especially if you hate orphans.
One flip reset for every hate. Game on nothing but alright. Alright. Work. Yeah, be like that, dude. It'd be like that, Chuck. Definitely is like that. I'm training when I get my P. Of course, Leo. Of course. I'm pretty sure I owe you like fucking 30 sessions or 4 sessions by now, anyway. Probably more than that. I can't lie. But people just. Oh no.
Oh, you're on your own. Sorry, I didn't think you'd be able to keep that in. My bad.
She's down to step on your back, but it'll be some slippers, not heels. Who told you that, bro? Alright, these hands are amazing. They can do some cool shit, bro. Alright? They can do some cool shit. Never seen a kick? He's not even playing twos anymore, he's just playing solos. Nice shot. Thanks, Rodney. Appreciate somebody, you know, being positive today.
Nah, I just watched you backflip on the ball. There's like.
Okay.
They were waiting on Ricky. Have a shot.
Easy. Yo, don't get clipped on. Never that, brother. Never that. These guys are good. Hero's really good. I played him yesterday, I'm pretty sure. Yo, bro! Felix in the 500! Thank you so much! He says, huh? Huh? Oh, wait, it did say, yo, bro, you begged. Chat, never game with a
Only
female.
A fool.
Never game
not
with a
be
female.
able-
They're too fucking honest.
Except.
If I can get enough to make a driver's license this month, next month, whatever, whenever it's gonna take to get back to that, if I can make enough just 1 month in streaming, and you know, get back to getting a driver's license. Yeah, what's up, Brandon? But yeah, that was a good game, chat. Fuck! How many open nets are we gonna miss here? How many own goals am I gonna score? Too many. Olaf, you hear that?
I hear a lot of shooting off to our
Yeah,
west.
they're all over the place in here, bro. Right in this fucking building. Right in this area.
Off to the right. Zach, what's up, Sean? Drop a like in the stream chat if you're coming in. We're grinding back to SSL.
I just saw you beside me and I was just pass it.
Yo, good morning, Danny. What's up, dude? Alrighty, chat. What is up? Welcome back to the stream, boys. We are doing like GG's in the chat. Oh, fucking hell. That actually be insane. I'm leaving mid again. Oh, you? Good block. The game winning goal right there. I know it was. It would be nice to get some money, yeah.
Survive raid, sell some stuff, you know.
Today I'm playing like shit and I know that and it's irritating me more than my rank. Cavell, are you on at the moment? Like, just... I'm not even gonna type because I'll just cry like a baby. I'm gonna wait back.